Can you hear me, everyone? Okay. See, guys, today is the final session for EBS. Okay, last time we got an error. Okay, because of file format. Okay, so we will correct this file format, and so again we will try to upload this file format into ECC system. Okay, no? So right now, so let me open ECC system. Okay, then I will try if it is successful in ECC. Then I will try in S4HANA, because S4HANA there is a problem. So first I will upload this file format in ECC. Okay. So now you can see my screen, right? Everyone? Huh. Right. See, guys. So this is EBS configurations. So you want to access EBS configuration, you go to OT83. Okay, and give the chart of account here. So give the chart of account, and then go to the account symbols. So what are the account symbols? So just take down all our account symbols. L100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. This is your account symbols. Main bank account, outgoing bank, incoming bank, so incoming payment, bank charges on forex, internet charges. So these are your account symbols. So for this account symbols, we need to add the GL accounts. These are all GL accounts, right? So these are all your account symbols. Then create the posting rules. Posting rules we already created. Okay. So after doing reconciliation, what is the journal entry for customer? So customer payment, customer account add to main bank account, outgoing bank account. All your balances will be transferred to the main bank. Okay. So this is your posting rules. L100, 200, 300, 400, 401, 402. Okay. So customer account add to main bank, and outgoing bank account add to main bank charges account add to main bank charges forex account add to main bank, internet charges account add to main bank. Okay. So these are the posting rules. Okay. Keys for posting rules. Then create the posting rules. We already created. Okay. So we already created the posting rules. This posting rule for customer clearing. So this L200 for payment, outgoing payment, bank charges, forex, and bank charges. So these are all posting keys we already created. Okay. So last time we discussed already. Then transaction type. So we use transaction type MT940 format. Okay. So this is your transaction format. So here, so we need to assign the external transaction codes. External transaction codes will be given by the bank. Okay. So NTRF, your external transaction code, NTRF. So NTRF means, okay, so NTRF plus means it's incoming posting. So it's incoming. So means your incoming payment should be cleared based upon the reference document number. This is called as a clearing logic. Okay, while uploading your file format into SAP system will understand the reference document number and then clear. Okay, NTRF is the minus, means it's outgoing. So once you upload the file format, okay, so system will understand this file format based upon the document number. This is the clearing logic. Okay, and NCHG is for the NCHG. So NCHG is for the bank charges. I didn't give any interpretation algorithm for this. Okay, and finally we need to give the bank account and the bank key, bank account number, and transaction type. We already given. Okay, so this is EBS configurations. So tomorrow interview will ask you the questions like questions like this transaction type, right? MT940 is linked with so external transaction and posting rule and interpretation algorithm. Okay, so this is the combination you should understand. This is the clearing logic. Okay, in EBS. Okay, so almost we have completed 3-4 classes. Almost this is the 4th session for EBS. Why I'm saying all this stuff again and again, because so interview will try to ask you the question from this area only. That's the reason. So interview will ask you what is interpretation algorithm. So what is the posting rule? Okay. So and posting rule and interpretation algorithm should be linked with the external transaction types. External transaction types will be given by bank itself. Okay. So you have to discuss with your bank and get these external transaction codes and just you need to map here. Okay, just for your external transaction codes means whatever the transaction happen with bank. Okay, so with the company, so those transactions is called as external transaction codes. This should be in the code form. Okay, so get this external transaction codes. Okay, and assign the posting rules and clearing logic you need to mention based upon the customer or client requirement. That's it. Get my point? Are you getting me? Okay. So, and what is the next step? So, what is the next step is, so you need to upload this file format. Last time, what happened? Plus minus closing balance error we got, right? Because, okay, so here we have taken wrong. We have taken wrong details. That's the reason closing balance taken as a wrong. That's the reason we got this error. Okay, now I correct it. Okay, so now I correct it. I will again create the scenario. Okay, and I will upload this file format. Okay, into SAP system. So first to understand this file format. Okay, so how this file format has been designed. So this is your okay statement date. So 2025 05 and 23 means date and 05 is your current month and this is your year. This is the statement date. So 25 means account number. This is your so account number. Okay, bank account number. So 28C means the statement number and 60F is the opening balance. This is your opening balance. Okay, this is your credit balance and this is the date format. And so on 23/05 2025, what is the opening balance you have? Okay, and 61 means your 61 means transaction details. These are the transaction details 61 and 86. 61 is the generally, so this is the date and 23. Okay, and this is the credit balance you have 50,000. So it should be NTRF means it's a external transaction code. So it should be cleared based upon the reference number. Your customer invoice should be cleared upon the reference number. So your outgoing payment should be cleared based upon the document number. Okay, once you upload, so it will clear automatically. So then bank charges. Okay, these two are the open item basis we already given. Check out, check in. Okay, outgoing and incoming. These are the so open item basis, right? So hence it should be cleared. Okay. Then bank charges. Bank charges. So 1,000 rupees bank charges. Totally this is the file format. Okay. So I created this file format right now. We don't have any issues. Okay, last time what happened? So here we didn't mention the C. Okay, so C debit credits we didn't mention. That's the reason. So error occurred. Okay, now what we can do? So I will create a test scenario. Okay, but meanwhile I will tell you how to upload this file format. Okay, so just you go to ff_5. So and go to import. Select this import and select this MT940 structured format. Okay, and take down your file format from this place. So once you upload this file format, so this is your file format. This is on 23rd date. Okay, right now we will create a new test scenario. Just now I am telling you, please note this. Okay, so how to upload? So how to upload? Here we need to give the interval details. Okay. Okay, and select this. Okay, select this and again you try to upload this file format. So once you upload this file format, what happens? System is saying that this file format is already uploaded because so 1 hour back I was trying to upload this file format. It was successful. Okay, again you are trying to upload. So any file format upload it was successful, and again you are trying to upload the same file format. Then you will get this error. Okay, so you will get this error. So then that case what you can do, so there is a program for this. You go to SC 38. you want to access any program, go to SC38, and there is one program is there. Okay, so there is one program, buffer program. This is the buffer program. So I'm just giving in short. See, this is your buffer program, and execute. Okay, execute, and go to this and delete this. So many buffer programs already exist in your system. Okay, and so give your application, and so remove this. Okay, so this is the this is already uploaded. Hence, you just delete the statements. Okay, so delete the statement. So anytime you can delete it. Okay, so right now again you try to upload this file format. Okay, so here now you can see. So once you upload the file format, what happen? Okay, system will clear automatically and it will show your balances. Okay, so there is a problem with the posting here. Okay, so there is one error. Okay, and this document 3 was complete, document 203 is completed. Posting with 40 and 50, this is one error is there, and this is one two errors are there. Okay, so anyhow these are the normal errors. Okay, but so you will see the main bank balance right now. See, so just give the main bank balance. So what happen once you upload the file format, it will impact on your main balance. Okay, because bank there are so many transactions will be there, right? So check-ins, check-outs, bank charges, etc. So finally, once you upload, your main bank balance is reflecting as a two only. Okay, so it is showing as a 2002 only. Okay, so 2000 showing minus. Okay, so so once you upload the file format, what happens? So your clearing accounts will be cleared. Okay, like your open items like customer open item payments will be cleared automatically. Okay, so here external transaction code is this one 201. Okay, so this is called as here you will see the main bank balance account. Once you upload the file format, what happen? So your main bank balance account will be reflected. Okay, so now this is the concept of EBS. Okay, so anytime means once you upload the file format, you can delete the file format. Okay, by using the buffer program. So if any file format incorrectly uploaded, then we can delete this. Okay, and once we upload the file format, what happened? So your clearing accounts, so check-ins and check-outs will be cleared, and so it will go to the it will impact your main bank balance. So total your main bank closing balance should be reflected. Okay, once you upload the file format, this is the concept of EBS. So this is the concept of EBS, and I will do one thing right now. I will create one scenario. Okay, and today's date only, and I upload the file format once again. Okay, so now you go to so your main bank balance is 2000, but it is in minus. I will do this in plus. Okay, so do one thing, just post one transaction with your main bank balance. So any transaction you can post it with my main bank balance. I'm just taking the rent account. So taking main bank balance as a main bank GL account. Take the main bank GL account. This anything you can take it. Credit purchases or anything. So debit, and it should be credit 1,02,000. So give the cost center. So value field, simulate, post. Okay, and check the main bank balance right now. Okay, and take down your main bank balance GL account. Okay, so total you have, see, this is in minus balance. Okay, minus balance is reflecting. Okay, I need to make it plus. Okay, so I don't need minus balances. So credit and debit. Okay, take the reverse. Give the cost centers. So value date should be today's date. Okay, compulsory. So simulate. So instead of debiting your credit purchase, I'm giving this because I just want to create one scenario. That's the reason. Okay, now you check your main bank balance. It should be in credit. Okay, so your main bank balance right now positive. Okay, so this is your main bank balance. Type down here. So see, this is your statement date. So statement date is 26. Okay, and this is your bank account number. Don't change. This is your statement number. Not, don't change. So here 25 year and 05. Okay, so here mention 26. And 26, what is your opening balance? So your opening balance is 98,000. Okay, so your opening balance is 98,000. Right. So now this is about your customer. So here you need to take the customer reference number, post one customer entry, invoice and give the number only. Okay, go to FB70. Okay, and take the customer. So take one customer, any one customer, TCS. So invoice date should be on today's date, and note down the reference number. Okay, this was very important. This is your reference number. So copy this, and so here reference number you can give it. Okay, so here 25 05 26. Okay, and 05 is month 26. Okay, so you just post 50,000. Customer invoice, post customer invoice with 50,000 rupees. Post 50,000. Okay, this reference number is very important because your interpretation algorithm, customer logic given what? Customer logic given reference number. Okay, so take down sales GL account and enter. So simulate and just post customer account to TCS9. Your customer is TCS9 and save it. Okay, this is document number 306, but we need only reference number. Okay, so this is TCS, right? So just to copy this. Go to FBL51 and paste over here and check. See, on today's date, you need to check. Okay, and today's date, this one we posted 50,000 only. Okay, once you upload the file format, open what happened? So this open item should be cleared. Okay, so this open item should be cleared. Why? Because so in the file format we are giving the reference number. Okay, once you upload this file format, okay, so this file format will be given by the bank. System will understand. Okay, based upon this NTRF, this is posting external transaction type, and this is your transaction. Okay, and today's date, this is your reference number. System will understand the clearing logic. Okay, so you already posted this. Okay, but how to do one thing? This is your customer, right? So do one thing. Go to XD02. So once you cleared any customer, okay. So here you need to give the tolerance group. This is important. So give the tolerance group. Okay, so for customer you need to give the tolerance group, and the next one is, so this is completed. Okay, so this is completed, and the next one is, okay, next one is 61. So this is outgoing. So outgoing clearing logic is document number, right? So document number we need to give, and here we need to modify the dates. Okay, 2505, it's a 26 only. Okay, 05, it's a 26 debit balance. Okay, so this is the credit balance, this is debit balance. 50,000 I will clear. I will post one invoice, vendor invoice, then I will clear through outgoing bank account. So this is FB60. So I will take one vendor. This is vendor. Okay, invoice date. So we need a document number. Okay, once we cleared, okay, we need document number only. Credit purchases. CO object means cost center. Give the cost center. Okay, so this is a customer invoice, and just clear through outgoing payment. Okay. So take on today's date. So check whether you posted on today's date or not. Okay, you posted on today's date, no worries. Okay. So take the bank account number is your outgoing bank account. Outgoing bank account. Outgoing bank account. What is your outgoing bank account here? So take this GL account. So your outgoing bank account, we created already this one. This is see, all the outgoing and incoming bank account should be open item basis. Hence it has clearing. Okay. Open item. In ECC, definitely you need to select line item display for every GL account. This is mandatory. S4HANA, this field is not there. Okay. If you not select, what happened in ECC, so what happened? So your balances will not be reflected. Okay. You cannot see in FBL3 and FBL1 reports will not be flex. You cannot see anything over there. So if you select, then only you will see the reports. Okay, now you can do one thing. So you can how to clear. Okay, clear this 50,000. So take the vendor. Process open item. Okay. So this is a error for tolerance. Okay, just you go to copy this. So go to XK0T, XK02. Okay, in ECC, you want to change any vendor master, you just go to XK02. Okay. So you want to change payment transactions. So give the tolerance group here. Okay, then system will clear. So now again give the details. So this balance should be transferred to the main bank balance once we upload the file format. So all dates should be same dates, and give this process open item. Okay. So here the cash discount is given. We don't need any cash discount. So do one thing. Just go to FBA L1N. Okay. And select here. Remove this payment term. Okay, and save it. Okay. So now again, you just post the clear the transaction. So F-53. Give the document date, reference number. Okay, account number, amount. You are clearing 50,000. Value date should be on 26. So process open item. Okay, so now you can just clear this. Okay, and note down the number. So this is 204. This is very important. So give here 204 document number. Okay, so you cleared. So invoice on today's date. Okay, 50,000. 50,000. Okay, so here just bank charges. You can give the 26. Okay, bank charges. So bank charges 1,000 rupees. This is your bank charges. So total your opening balance is 90,000. So this is incoming 50,000, outgoing 50,000. Okay, this is nullified. Okay, this is nullified, and only bank charges are there. So total your balance is 97,000 only. Okay, because this is your opening balance, and this is transaction details. One is 50,000 plus and minus 50,000. This is outgoing minus and 50,000 plus. Both are nullified, and this is only for bank charges. Okay, so 98,000 minus bank charges 1,000. So total closing balance is this, and so give the today's date only. So on today's date, once you upload the file format on today's date, your main bank balance 98,000 should become so 97,000 only. That is the concept of so EBS EBS. Just save it. I'm sharing this document number. This is EBS file format to you. Also, I will share you ECC details like a password and user ID. Okay, so you can also practice this in ECC system. Okay, now I will try to upload this. Okay, now I will try to upload this. Okay, so first let me go to main bank. This is your main bank balance, and so just to close this, outgoing, close this. So this is your customer, this is your vendor. Okay, so cleared item should be on today's date. So this is your cleared document number should be 204. This is also updated in your EBS file format. And you can also see so you can also see FBL5N. So here 26th date. So this is your what is your reference number we taken? So reference number is also updated. Okay. So this is your opening and this is your customer invoice. Once you upload the file format, this file format, what happen? So once you upload this file format, what happen? So this customer should be cleared. Okay, and so if our file format is correct, okay, and so this is also transferred to the main bank balance. That is the concept of EBS. Okay, right now, so if you have all things correctly, okay, then save. Once again, check any dates have been given wrongly. 2025 05 26. Okay, 05 26. And C, this is also C. 25 26 97,000. So 0 26 26. If any date format is incorrectly given, then what happen? It will not be cleared. Okay. Okay, save it. And now you go to so now you go to FF underscore 5. What happened? Let's see. Select import data and select 7940 structured format statement file format. Take the statement file format and MT9 format. This is our updated or not. So once 97,000. Okay, so select this. So earlier our main bank balance showing as 98,000 opening balance. Once you upload the file format, it should be 97,000 only. If everything is okay. And take the print. Okay, and try to upload this. Okay, so system saying that this is statement number 2 is already uploaded. Okay, already uploaded. So hence what we can do, remove the earlier statement. Okay, so anytime we can remove the previous statements if anything wrong. SC38. So use this program, very very important for the interview. So and here 001 and delete this statement number from the system. Again try to upload this. Just to go back and give this again just select this file format MT940 and try to upload this. Okay, see everything is fine right now. There is one error was there. Some document was cleared successfully. Bank charges cleared. Okay, so your bank charges have been cleared successfully, but so your there is one error. This is related to posting account 401 with posting 40 and 50. This is the error. That's the reason. How many we cleared? Just to check here. So earlier it was 98,000. Now again go back and check. So it's a 47,000 showing because one line item not added. Okay, one line item is not added. So customer line item 50,000 is added, then it should be 97,000. There is a problem with the customer. Okay, so successfully we have cleared. So this KZ also successfully done. Okay, this is also done. Okay, so our main bank balance, if you add 50,000 means here there is an error in the this posting digit. Okay, this was error. That's the reason it was stuck. So we can correct this also. Okay, So this is the error. Because of difference is DZ document. This is the error. So because of this error, okay. So the because of this error, so system is showing different amount. So here 97,000 will come. So if this error cleared, then automatically this error cleared, automatically 97,000 will come. This is the concept. Okay. So what is this error? I will check once again. What is this error? So posting account, posting key 40. There is a problem with field status, I think. 200, 101 and posting key. What is the problem? See here document number 6 was posted. What does this mean? So main charge, see it will go to the main bank balance, okay? And the 205 was posted. What is this 205? Okay. See this is the main bank account and outgoing bank account. Okay, these are all journal entries. That's see. So only customer related item was not cleared because of this error. Okay, this error, because of this error only. So we need to understand the posting key account. This is also tolerance related error, I think. Okay, posting account 200 101, posting key 40. Okay, this error is related to field status. So generally these things will come. Ah.
Sir, in FS00 we have given text for outgoing bank and incoming bank, both are same.
Which
We
one?
had
Which
FS00
FS double zero?
text outgoing and incoming bank balance.
This one. Okay, it's not related to that. Okay, so the problem is field status. Okay, so field status related. I need to check the field status. Okay, posting is 40 and this has a different field status. That's the reason this error is coming. Okay, this is not cleared because this is not cleared. Okay, so this was not cleared. Once you upload the file, this will clear automatically. This was problem with the posting key. Okay, I will check what is the posting key field status. Okay, general data and which fields are mandatory kept. Okay, so invoice reference number here is optional. Okay, invoice reference number here it is optional. It is showing as a suppress. So these are the reasons. Okay, so everyone understand the concept, right? Okay, this is the concept of EBS. What is our field status? Say this is optional. And account assignments. Okay, cost center is optional here. Say here cost center is suppressed. So that's the reason. Okay. Internal management all are optional. Say okay. So many changes are there. payment transactions. So these three are optional. See here, these three are optional. Hmm? Okay, these two are suppressed. Okay, asset accounting. No, just to save it. Okay, save it. Okay, so now just check once again. Okay, now I just correct this. So what you can do? Okay, see here your total balance showing 97,000. Okay, but the problem is NCHG means bank charges, NTRF minus. Okay, so total balance showing on today's date is 97,000. But problem is there is a problem with this clearing. Okay, so again you upload, what happens? Same error will be reflected. And let's execute. Delete the buffer program. Try to this. Okay, do next time. So you have to delete all this stuff right now. So delete this. Okay, delete this. Why? Because say this one delete. This is already cleared. Okay. So this was not cleared. Only this. This was not cleared. And bank charges is already done. Not required. Bank charge is already done. Not required. So once you upload this, your 90. Your right now, what is your main bank balance is 47,000. Okay. So give the 47,000 your opening balance, and so this is your closing balance. Okay, once 50,000 added, so it should be 97,000. Save it. So try to upload this once again. So earlier we cleared already, so again we don't clear. Okay. So take again file format. Okay. Just execute. Okay. So still it's showing an error. Why it is showing error? Difference is large clearing. So there is a problem. So difference is large clearing. So this is okay, but it's still showing 47. The 50,000 is not adding because of this error only. What is the difference? Is large clearing. Okay, so you'll see tomorrow. Okay, so please complete this. I will share you the ECC details. So you'll finish up this concept tomorrow. Okay, thank you. So this is the concept of EBS. Okay, right.